Hello friends, welcome to channel SAP Lobby. Today we'll discuss about the strategy 50 versus strategy 52. Means what are the difference between those two strategy and what are similarity. Okay, and before we discuss about these two strategy, let me give some overview like what is the difference between strategy 40 and strategy 50 or 52. So strategy 40 is planning with final assembly. Strategy 50 or 52 is planning without final assembly. Means like with strategy 40, with your forecast requirement, like plan independent requirement, with your plan independent requirement, you can do the planning for your final assembly. Okay, and planning procurement you can do for final assembly plus but in case of strategy 50 or 52, you can't with refers to your plan independent requirement, you cannot do the planning or procurement process for the final assembly. You can do the procurement for the its BOM component like sub assembly raw material, but you cannot do the planning for the final assembly. Okay, so that is the difference between strategy 50 and or 52 with strategy 40. Okay, so now we'll talk about strategy 50 versus strategy 52. So in strategy 50 is make to order and strategy 52 is make to stock. Okay, so when we have the when there is a product which is specific for the customer based product, okay, that is specific for a customer, for those product we can use the strategy 50, and for the strategy 52 it's like for the product which are the common for multiple customers, and you can you want to create unrestricted stock and you can deliver to the existing sales order with from the unrestricted stock. For that case you can use strategy 52. Okay, but in case of strategy 50, so it will create a sales order stock because that is specific for a sales order customer. Okay, similarity is like sales order will consume the plan independent requirement in both strategies, strategy 50 or strategy 52. Okay, so it will be consume PIR, and in case of strategy 50 or 52, PIR will be reduced. PIR will be reduced after delivery against the sales order. When you do the PGI against the sales order, then your strategy PIR what you created that will be reduced either in strategy 50 or 52. Okay, so if I you go to the system, so here this is the material with strategy 52. Okay, so here I have added the strategy group 52 and consumption mode. Okay, because PIR will consume, so I have given the consumption period. Similarly, if I go to the strategy 50, so this is material with strategy 50. Okay, and it is also like consumption mode. Okay, to consume the plan independent requirement. Okay, now if I create a plan independent requirement for the material with strategy 50. Okay, so I'll now these two PIR has created for the this material which is with strategy 50. Okay, similarly here if I do, so here also, so this PIR has created. Okay, so if I run the MRP, Okay, so if I go to MD04 for this material, so it is created the plan order for this independent requirement. Similarly, if I do for for strategy 52, so if I run this MRP run for this material which is with strategy 52, okay, so okay, so it has created plan order for both. Okay, that is independent requirement type. So but if you look at this plan order which is created against the PIR, I cannot convert to product node, or I cannot do the procurement process. Okay, similarly for this one also same thing, in either strategy 50 or strategy 52 I cannot process the plan order to the procurement. Okay, so it is specifically like to create the dependent requirement. So if you look at for depend to create the dependent requirement for this raw material. Okay, similarly here also same thing. So it will just create a dependent requirement or do the planning for this its raw material or sub assembly materials. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll create a customer order for this one. So I will create a customer order. Okay, suppose I will put 100. Okay, and plant. Okay, so I will save it. Okay. Now similarly I will create for another metal which is with strategy 52. Okay, okay, okay. Now I'll save this one. Okay, so now if I go to this one, okay, I'll go back. If I refresh this one, if you look at now customer order is came for 52 strategy 52, which is material with strategy 52, and if you look at 100 PIR. It is initially PIR with the 100 150, 100 is consumed by the sales customer order. Okay. Similarly, if here if I refresh, okay, same thing. Okay, this is, but if you look at different, there is a call in strategy 50, there is a one more customer stock it is showing customer stock, but here it is only customer order is coming, but customer stock things is not coming. Okay. Okay, now if I, so here also, here PIR 100 quantity of PIR is consumed by the sales order. Here also it is consumed. Consumption is similar, both same is in both strategy. But if you look at difference is like customer stock in strategy 50. Okay, but in case of strategy 52, that is not there. Okay, now run the if I run the MRP, similarly I will run MRP for another material also. Okay, so if you look at this plan order, for which is with strategy 50, plan order with KD order tag KD means it is specific to a sales order. So if you look at the end of this plan order number, SO is there. Okay, so means it is specific to the sales order. If I go to this plan order, so if you look at assignment, I see this sales order is updated here. So this will create this sales order stock. If I do the production and receive, then it will create the sales order stock. Okay, but if I go to the strategy 52, okay, here if you look at plan order is stock STCK, not SO. So if I go to this plan order, so if you look at, there is no assignment, sales order not assignment. So this is the difference between the strategy 50 and strategy 52. Okay, so strategy 50 is completely make to order. Here you will create, it will create the customer order, customer stock. Here it will go to the, in strategy 52 the stock will go to the unrestricted. So when you receive this material, it go to the unrestricted. Okay, suppose if I convert it to the product order, so I'll release manually. What happened? Okay, no profit center entered. Some error is coming. Why? So here if you look at this sales order is updated in product order, so it will create a sales order stock. Okay, so but here I am not able to release this one because of some costing related issue. Okay, I'll try to check this one if we can. Some profit center error is coming. Okay, So okay, this is some finance error is getting, so I cannot I'm not able to release this one to show you the how it will create the sell total stock. Okay, so but this will create so this is the difference between the strategy 50 and strategy 52. So strategy 50 is basically it will create a customer stock. Okay, and it is will create the sales on strategy 52 will create the unrestricted stock. Okay, so I think you understood the difference between strategy 50 and strategy 52. If you have still if you have any comment or query, please let know. Okay, I'll try to address that one. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.